Dear students, higher secondary second year, commerce. Now we are going to discuss about Unit 4, Chapter 9, Fundamentals of Human Resource Management. Especially now we let us see about the functions of human resource management. Okay. The functions of human resource management may be classified as two types. That one is managerial functions and operative functions. Okay, this managerial function further divided four categories, four types. That one is planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Then second type of function is operative functions. So these function may be classified six types. That one is procurement and development, compensation, retention, integration and maintenance. Okay, students, let us we see about the functions of human resource management step by step, one by one. Okay, first one is planning. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do and who is to do it. Okay, underline this line, this line asking for one word question. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do and who is to do it. Okay, it bridges the gap between the where we are and where we want to go. Okay, so where we are and where we want to go. Okay, so this planning helps the systematic operation of business. Okay, systematic operation of business. So this planning involves always determination, objectives, policies, procedures, rules, strategies, programs and budgets. Okay, so this planning is involving element is objectives, policies, procedures, rules, strategies, programs and budgets. This planning ensures maintenance of correct number of employees to carry out activities and also to formulate timely employee policies. Planning ensures maintenance of correct number of employees. So how many members need for complete this particular task? Okay, so that one is determination by human resource management as a function is planning. Okay, so it ensures maintenance of correct number of employees to carry out activities and also to formulate timely employee policies. Okay, so this is the first functions of managerial function. That one is planning. Then another one is organizing. Okay, so organizing is nothing but it includes division of work. It is division of work. Okay, so the total work divided by various categories. That one is called division of work and also called departmentation. Okay, so it involves division of work among employees by assigning each employee their duties, delegation of authority as required and creation of accountability to make employees responsible. Okay, so this organizing involves division of work among the employees. So this division of work and also allocated to the particular group or particular person and also assigning each employee their duties. Okay, assigning each employee their duties with delegation of authority. Okay, so assigning each employee their duties and also delegation of authority as required and creation of accountability and also accountability for make employees responsible. Okay, so this function treated as a organizing. Okay, then third type of function is main function is directing. Directing is nothing but it involves issue of orders and instruction along with supervision, guidance and motivation to get the best out of employees. Okay, so directing is the issue of orders and instruction along with supervision. Issue of orders and also instruction. Okay, along with supervision, guidance and motivation. So this one is leads to get the best out of employees. So best work extracted from the employees through by directing. Okay, clear, Pam? So this reduces waste of time, energy and money and yearly attainment of organizational objectives. Okay, so this effective directing leads to totally reduces waste of time, energy, and also money. Okay, this only also leads to yearly attainment of organizational objectives. So every type of organization achieve their goals with short period the help of human resource management functions, especially directing. Okay, clear pa? Then fourth type of function is controlling. So controlling is the important functions of all types of management. Okay, so human resource management, fourth type of function is controlling. Controlling is nothing but it is comparing the actual with the standards and to check whether activities are going on as per plan and rectify deviations. Okay, if the management control and supervise their work for the purpose of so work is going with smoothly in correct way or deviation of our plan. Okay, so that's why know about the controlling. So effective control is leads to the what is the progress in our plan. Okay, so that's why controlling is very very important one thing. Okay, so controlling is comparing the actual with the standards and to check whether activities are going on as per plan and rectify deviations. The control process includes this control process includes fixing of standards, measuring actual performance, comparing actual with standard laid down, measuring deviations and take corrective actions. Okay, so this control process includes fixing of standards, measuring actual performance, comparing actual with the standard laid down, measuring deviations and taking corrective actions. Okay, so this is made possible through so this type of activity is possible through by observation, supervision, reports, records and audits. Okay, so this type of controlling may be supervision and observation, reports and records and audit. Okay, so above 4 points treated as a functions of human resource management and also becoming under the head of managerial functions. Okay, clear pa? Next, the second type of function of human resource management is operating functions. Okay, so these operating functions may be classified under 6 categories. Okay, 6 types. So that one is first type of function is procurement. Okay, first function is procurement. So before that, what is the meaning of procurement? The procurement is nothing but acquisition deals with. Okay, so acquisition deals with job analysis, human resource planning, recruitment, selection, placement, transfer and promotion. So these type of activities done by procurement. Okay, so this type of activities becoming under the head of procurement. So this one is classifying under the category of operating function first. Okay, so procurement. Okay, then second type of functions in operating functions. Okay, so that one is development. So what is the meaning of development? Development includes performance appraisal, training, executive development, career planning and development and organizational development. So this development is progress about the particular task. Okay, so that one is through by the development includes performance appraisal, training, executive development, career planning and development and organizational development. Okay, then third type of operating function is compensation. Okay, so this compensation is very very important functions. Okay, so get work from the laborers or workers, so that work converted into money or money's worth. Okay, so get work and compensated any of work that any of work means through by money, monetary and non-monetary. Okay, right, so that one is compensation point come here. It deals with job evaluation, wages and salary administration, incentives, bonus, fringe benefits, and on social security schemes. Okay, so the compensation involving job evaluation, wages and salary administration, incentives, bonus, fringe benefits, and social security schemes. Okay, right. Then fourth one is retention. So retention means continue. Okay, continue service, service give to others. So service get from others or give to others, continue, that one is retentions. Okay, so this type of function include made possible through healthy and safety, welfare, social security, job satisfaction, and quality of work life. Okay, so this one is leads through by the retention functions. Okay, so retention is, this is made possible through healthy and safety, welfare, social security, job satisfaction, and quality of work life. Okay, and another type of operating function is integration. Okay, so integration otherwise called coordinating or coordination. Okay, so this type of function is concerned with those activities that aim to bring about reconciliation. Okay, so those activities that aim to bring about reconciliation between personal interest and organizational interest. Okay, so personal interest and organizational interest may be integrated this type of functions. Okay, so coordinated this type of functions. Okay, this coordinating or integrating for the purpose of achieving company goals with short period. In case of if the company have a purchase department and super purchase department and sales department. Okay, at the time frequently these type of departments must be consultation with other department, because get profit or good profit and or achieve company goals with short period. Okay, so integration is very important point, one thing. Okay, then another type of function in operating function, the heading is maintenance. Okay, so maintenance is very important. So all types of work, all types of business activities must be maintenance. Okay, so options of the maintenance, so all work becoming waste or it does not give any benefits to others. So maintenance is very important, one thing. Okay, so this encourages employees to work with job satisfaction. This encourages employees to work with job satisfaction, reducing labor turnover, accounting for human resource, and carrying out audit and research. Okay, so this encourages employees to work with job satisfaction, reducing labor turnover, then accounting for human resource, and carrying out audit and research. Okay, so these type of circumstances, these type of elements always maintaining by the human resource management. Okay, so this type of functions, this maintenance and integration and retention, compensation, development, procurement, about these 6 points becoming under the head of functions of operating functions, especially in human resource management. Okay, once again I repeat these functions of human resource management. Okay, these human resource management functions may be classified under two types. One is managerial function, another one is operative functions. This managerial function further divided four types. That one is planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Then second type of function is operative functions. These operative functions further divided six types. That one is procurement, development, compensation, retention, integration, maintenance. Okay, thank you, students.